If you run a B2B company, then cold email is your engine. But there is a huge problem. If you send too many emails from on Gmail, Google will flag you as a bot. And all your messages will go to spam folder. Or if you use your domain will also get burned. And your customer will never see your message. Today I am going to show you how I fixed this. I built a custom cold email system that switches sender accounts to avoid the spam folder. Here is how it works. I built the backend using pure Core PHP and PHPMailer. This makes the system incredibly fast and lightweight. There are some secrets to stay out of spam folder. First of all, the rotation sender accounts. I connected multiple SMTP accounts to it. When the script runs, it loops through the list. It switches sender address for every single email. Second, I added the random delay to send the email. This script pauses for few seconds. The spam filters, it looks like normal. It's a human written, not a bot. I'll start the script now. Let's see it in action how it works. I'll start the script now. It pulls the leads from the database and it sends the first email from account A, then it waits. Then it will send the second email from account B. Now let's take the test inbox. Perfect. 100% deliverability. The emails go straight into the primary inbox and the spam folder is ignored. I hope this will help your business to grow. Thank you.